Hi, second grade. This is the video for extra practice, April 6th, proofreading. So we're going to proofread this passage right here, and we're going to try to find all of the mistakes using our edit marks inside the paragraph, and then we're going to write the correct word right down here. Good test strategy. I want you to remember that you can use this anytime. It's giving us a word bank. These are the answers that we want. So let's go over those first. And then we're going to read the paragraph. That way it might make it a little bit easier for us to pick out what we're supposed to be looking for. Okay? So I want you to say the word after I say it. I'd. He's. Haven't. Doesn't. Let's. There's. Wouldn't. What's. She's. Aren't. Hasn't. Couldn't. He'd. There. Our review words: can't, isn't. Challenge words: we're, weren't. Good. So those are the ones we want to choose from. Let's read our paragraph and see if we can find them as we go, now that we've done a little review. My aunt and uncle are very different from a lot of people. He's a clown in a circus, and she works as a stunt woman. Pause. Do you see it? Take a look. Can you find the one from our list? It's missing something. I see it. Right there. He's. Now don't forget, looky here. It is the beginning of a sentence, so we need to make sure that we put it down here correctly. There we go. They're always doing crazy stuff. For example, my aunt hasn't cut her hair in 15 years. I know, I couldn't not go 6 months without getting a haircut. Well, that one right there just kind of jumps out at you, doesn't it? This one right here, this one's a little bit crazy there. Couldn't ought. Let's go back and start way up here where we stopped. They're always doing crazy stuff. Is that how we do there? No way. We have to move our apostrophe over. There we go. I'm going to mark it out down here using that test strategy. It's also the beginning of a sentence. Apostrophe R-E. There we go. Always doing crazy stuff. For example, my aunt hasn't. Is that how we spell that contraction, hasn't? It is not. Our apostrophe is in the wrong space. It needs to go between the N and the T. Let's find it. See, hasn't. There it is, hasn't. Let's go ahead and write that down. Goes after the N and before the T. Hasn't. Let's write this one down. Couldn't. Where is couldn't? Oh, well, looky there. Let's write that one down. Couldn't. Then there's the house where they live. Let's just say that it is unique. Is there one in that sentence? Can you see it? Then there's the house they live in. Right there. apostrophe S. Want to find that one? Mark it out. There's apostrophe S. There we go. Let's just say it's unique. For starters, it doesn't have any corners. You wouldn't believe how odd it looks. When we stay with them, I feel like we're living in a donut. If they weren't so nice, I might think that there was actually something wrong with them. Well, they might be fun relatives to have. What do you think? I think it might be fun to see what it's like to live in a donut if I didn't eat it all. All right. I want you to go through. We did the first 5 all together. I want you to find 6 through 10 all by yourself. Go through, use your edit marks, and you're going to start right there. Have fun.